everybody. We have some gardening soil in this bin, and we've got gardening gloves, and we're going to go put soil in little terracotta pots with some flower seeds. So we're going to learn how to plant flower seeds and teach you the instructions on what to do and how to care for that when you get home so your flowers will grow. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go this way. We have a Shasta daisy, we have cosmos, those are beautiful, aster, ooh, wildflowers, a variety, this is cottage garden, and rose queen. You like that one? You like that one? You like the daisies? You've got some daisies, do you like those? Okay. Some flower pots will have a hole in the bottom and some will not. Now, the important thing to know about a flower pot, everybody, when you purchase whatever you want to plant in it, you have to know, does this plant like a lot of water and need a lot of water? Because if so, then that plant is going to want a solid bottom with no hole. So when you water it, the water stays in there and keeps the soil moist and wet for a long time. The seeds need to be in sunny to light shade. Mine says it's going to start to bloom in 4 to 6 weeks. So we're going to have Prince and Princess patience while we wait on ours to grow. Yours is going to take 6 to 8 weeks. So daisies, y'all only have to wait about 6 or 7 weeks before yours start to bloom. Let's see about your wildflower garden. 4 to 6 weeks? Ooh, that's just 1 month. How many weeks in a month?
4.
4. Let's see yours. Yours needs 6 weeks. And yours needs to just stay indoors. Guess what? All of us are going to keep it inside until we see it come out of the soil. And let it grow about this high, whatever your flower is, about that high, and then you can take it outside, okay? What I have here is floral clay, and it's sticky. Can y'all see how sticky it is? It's like a used piece of chewing gum. And I'm going to put it over the little hole in the bottom of my pot, okay? Watch. I'm gonna block it. So if we had chewing gum, that would probably work too, wouldn't it? So, may I hand you a little piece and you get to do your own? Okay. We're going to take floral clay.
Oh, this is sticky.
You go, Lily George. So you block the hole in your pot. Your name is like a flower. Isla Rose. Just want to stick it down hard enough that it seals around the edges and it won't allow water to come out of the hole. Oh, yours is perfect. Perfect, everybody. You see, Micah. Oh, sometimes the more you play with it, the messier it can become. So you want to stick it down, just tap it a couple of times and be done with it. That's good. Now we're ready to put soil in the pots.
Hi, I'm Blake. Hi, I'm Lily Joy. Hi, I'm Lisa. Hi, I'm Micah. Hi, I'm Ryan.
Hi, I'm Ellie.
Some nice enriched soil with fertilizer in your pot. Soil. Isla Rose is going to get some good soil in her pot too. Okay, Lily George, hold your pot over here. Thank you. Are y'all having fun? Okay, so let's open our packet, and you can just tear it across the top like so. We were gardening with the kids outside the other day and putting seeds in pots. Our camera got so hot in the heat here in South Georgia that we had to let our camera rest. So I'm going to just finish the instructions about our tiny terracotta pots that we covered the hole with clay so the soil will stay wet. Take a pair of scissors and just twirl them around in the center of your soil so that you can make a nice size hole to pour your seeds in. Put all of these seeds in the center of the soil in the hole. And I will cover it up. And remember, you always want to go ahead and put water in your soil with fresh seeds from the start, right when you plant. So I'm just going to get some water. Water your soil. Check to see if it's dry with your finger every single day. You don't want to let it stay too dry for more than 24 hours. If you can't find a window with natural sunlight in your home to let sunlight get on the soil, find an artificial light. Good luck. Everybody wave to our friends. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, see who can guess what we're going to make with grapes, strawberries, and some white chocolate morsels. Who wants to guess? Your arm went out first. What, Ava? Fruit salad is a good guess. What about you, Micah?
Caterpillar.
How did you know? That's a big, long caterpillar, isn't it? Now the caterpillar needs a head. See if I can accomplish this first try. I'll do the holes for everybody's eyes. You always want to make sure an adult uses the knife for you because that looks easy, but it takes experience not to cut yourself. Then I'm going to take the pointy side, the little pointed side of the kiss, and stick it in the strawberry.
That's cute.
Thank you. Adorable caterpillar. Y'all, that is just the cutest thing ever. Yay! So you get to make your own. We've washed our hands. We're gonna let you stand there up against the counter. You get 2 sticks each. So come get a stick. You wanna hop down and go stand over there, girls, and make your caterpillars. And then you can say you've had fruit salad today in a very fun way. He's so cute. Be real careful, don't turn him upside down. He might lose his eyes. His eyes just might fall out. He has googly eyes. Okay, now you're gonna take the point of your stick, put it right in the hole of the strawberry. There you go, Micah. Oops, don't let him lose. Don't let his eyes fall out. Hold that caterpillar high in the sky. You ready? One, two, three, look at me. These are so cute. Okay, now let's take the point of your stick. Can you see the hole in the strawberry? Good. Okay, do you see that caterpillar's head in there? Go. Okay, be careful with the tip when you start to eat it. Yeah. These are so cute and a lot of fun, right, kids?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to make sure after you take the strawberry head of the caterpillar off that you turn your skewer sideways and take your grapes off sideways, or the perfect etiquette is to take it off with your fingers, one at a time. Okay, so we had a good idea, or Isla Rose had a good idea, to make antennas for our grape caterpillars with the strawberry heads and the white chocolate eyes. I think we can make antennas out of fresh mint. So won't that be a cute antenna? We can even take off some larger leaves too. Ready, set, go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, 4, go, go. Come on, everybody, let's go, go. Okay, so we're gonna make some eyes.
I do antennas at the top.
And then antennas at the top, says Isla Rose. What do you know about antennas, Isla Rose?
I would do them at the top because I think antennas are their ears and they would catch more sound waves that way.
Yes, good job, Isla Rose. Thank you for the lesson about antennas today. Let's give her a hand. Are your hands free? Give her some applause, Micah. Yay, Isla Rose. We love smart children, and we're all smart. So when you learn things like that, you should always share that information with someone else. That way you've repeated it, and you'll remember it yourself. So cool. Do you like your antennas? Do you think you're gonna eat those mint leaves? You gonna try one? At least try, right? Can I put your eyes in for you this time? Well, that is a cute caterpillar face. Are you ready? It's a big caterpillar head. Can we make yours a unicorn? We'll make hers a unicorn. Okay, Ava, you're such a good helper. Now see, we would like to invite you back anytime when you're as helpful as you are.